Life energy, what we call matter, is formed through the law of the three forces: pulse, wave, and form. Now, do you recognize this, the law of the three, the Trinity, the third thing, suggesting that every phenomena or whatever scale or in whatever world it might take place, from molecular to cosmic phenomena, is the result of the combination of the meeting of three different forces. I'm claiming pulse, wave, form. It is suggested that the two snakes of the caduceus are wave and form, generated by pulse. My way of imagining zero-point energy is the hourglass inversion. Vortices in air or water are moving in the same form as the underlying energy and matter coming together, and they exchange energy with them, as in a vibrating tuning fork, pulsing from one state to its opposite, from explosion to implosion, from spirit to matter, matter to spirit, the seen to the unseen, and back to the seen, a spiraling through the universe as snaky spirit.